guys, welcome to my channel. If this is your first time here, hi. If it's your second or third, welcome back. Glad to have you back. Today's video is going to talk about what happened when I spent $25 a day on Etsy ads for 30 days. Yeah. Get ready to check out what happened. Check it out. Welcome. So we're going to get right into it. I'm on my shop manager dashboard, and this is what you're seeing here. So I'm going to be showing you guys. Oh, here's a little tidbit, y'all. I'm there, but I don't have it for this month. It'll be November if I keep it up. So yes. So let's go under marketing and Etsy ads. Okay. That is where you will see your advertising. Guys, I'm advertising $25 a day for 66 of my listings. And how I came up with those listings is I went by those that I've been getting a lot of traction on. You know, people seem interested in. So that's how I chose those listings. I'm going to go down here. You can manage your budget, just an overall snapshot of the last 30 days. I've had over 180,000 ad views, over 1,800 ad clicks, and 40 orders from ads. And I got a revenue of $1,253.01. And I've spent the last 30 days $605, so about half on ads. So this is my first time really playing around with it, at least for that. That's big fish right there, y'all. Golly, that's a lot of money. I know it might not be to a lot of people, but I'm still a small shop. And it just shows me here that I can manage my daily budget here. And I can go up to $100. Now, that amount changes. When I first set this up, I'm at the end, right? So when I first set this up, 25 was my max. And it says right here, Etsy says, we set a budget limit based on your average ad spend. We'll increase your limit if you consistently spend your full daily budget. Learn more about budget limits. So when they say my budget is $25 a day, that means they're not going to go over that. They don't have to spend $2,500 a day, but they can. That's my max. That is my max. So that was under manage your budget. And here is, you can manage your advertised listings. And there are some other options where you can turn off your ads. You can share feedback, and you can show your graphs. See, I like this graph where it started. And today is a Sunday, so Sundays are not my best days. People probably at church or whatever, you know, they getting their praise on. I'm okay with that. I'm okay with it. So as I add new things to my shop, I go in and I decide whether or not I want to add that listing. The more creative I have gotten, the better I've gotten. I've been adding those listings. Some of my older stuff I haven't been adding. I've been kind of taking out because it wasn't my best work, y'all, but that's cool. That's cool. And I just wanted to show you this real quickly. These are some things that I'm advertising. And you can see it shows you your ad views, your clicks, your click rate, how many orders, the revenue from it, and the budget I spent on it. And my return on investment. I don't care about this because this is near and dear to my heart. I'm a veteran, and I truly, wholeheartedly believe in supporting the troops. And on Friday, every Friday, I wear red to remember everyone deployed, because we are able to exercise our freedoms and everything that we have because of our soldiers and service members. So if you would please do me a big favor and purchase this shirt. You even have to purchase the shirt. Matter of fact, just wear red. If you want to support your girl, that is awesome. I appreciate it, but I want you to wear red on Friday to remember everyone that is deployed. I've been deployed. I've been to Iraq, part of Iraqi war. I'm an Iraqi war veteran. So I'm telling you guys, it means a lot to know that we have support back home. So thank you for letting me speak a little bit. All right, y'all. So that's that. Your girl is doing I'm doing good. I'm doing good. My stuff is getting out there and I'm getting these orders. So thank y'all. And this is what I made in 30 days from Etsy ads with $25 a day. Thanks, people. Have a great day. And if you haven't already, go ahead, like, comment, and subscribe. Have you used Etsy ads? If so, let me know down in the comments. What was your take from that? Was it good? Bad? I think I may bump it up a little bit to see how it does. What y'all think? Should I bump it up? Should I bump it up to $50 a day? I'm going to try it out and I'm going to get back with y'all. But I didn't want to make this long. I just wanted to show you what my experience was and I want to hear yours. Thanks. Have a great day, guys. Peace.